time last year, I was doing a typewriter story. I had this typewriter in front of me, and I was doing a story, seeing what that typewriter had to share with me. And these are the cards that this one says. This typewriter wants to share with us those wishes that you've been wishing, and we're having those wishes come true. You know, time is happening. The Wheel of Fortune is happening. We got all your dreams right here, and we're having those dreams come forward now. The offering is here. It's on the table. This typewriter story says we're going to have that wish. We're having that wish come true. So keep believing in those dreams. Keep believing in those happy ever after stories, because the newness is coming in. This is you now. This is you looking in to the future. You have a necklace on. You're getting more beautiful as time goes on. Even though you're already beautiful, they just added some jewels to you. And we had this butterfly way of a life come forward, so you can live this happy ever after dream. That's the typewriter story. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it has something to do with that, because it has a love story for sure, where you're in bliss, where you're in happiness, where you're in joy, where you're in action with passion and desire, because those are the things that you wished for, because you rewrote your story through the typewriter to live this happy ever after dream. This dream that you've been wishing, that you've been wanting, it's coming forward. It's coming true. Why? Because you kept dreaming it. Because you kept wishing it. You never changed focus. You never said, oh, no, I don't want that wish. No, I don't want that dream. You always kept believing in this happy ever after dream. You always kept believing in this fairy tale dream. You never let anybody take it away from you. That was what you wrote in the typewriter story. So we're still writing that story, the happy ever after story. That's for sure, because that's the only way we're going to reach it, is by writing it and keep going for it and keep believing it's going to happen. Because when you keep believing, guess what? That's what's going to take place. Have a beautiful day. Cynthia Toet, Miss Flip It, your Gypsy Medicine Woman. Please remember to like and share and subscribe to the channel. It helps get the message out there to a bigger audience, and I'd like to get happy messages out there to the world. What about you? If you do, remember, share. And if you'd like to know more about me, if you like a reading, personal reading, or a party reading, just go to my webpage, cynthiatoet.com, and you'll find that stuff out there. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.